Hello you nature files, we're here in the Blue Mountains again today and we're doing the lovely walk out to Lockleys Pylon track. You may have seen this on social media. If you haven't, come check it out with me. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So from here, we gotta get to those stairway all the way in the distance. Good times. Make sure you pack some water on this one, especially on hot days, because there isn't a lot of shade cover along the way because we're essentially on a ridge top. Keep that in mind. So, this way leads out to Lockleys Pylon. This leads out to another lookout. We'll go check it out because it's fairly close. This area always makes me feel like I'm in the second Lord of the Rings movie. The finish line, so tantalizingly close. That there in the distance is Lockleys Pylon. Let's get going. So here we are at Lockleys Pylon. As you can see, the views are amazing and definitely worth the effort. Terribly windy as well. It's usually like this, being so exposed and up high. What a place to have to yourself midweek though. Simply beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it. So from here, I'm just gonna walk back and enjoy it myself. I'll wrap up back at the car, so see you there. So that was the walk out to Lockleys Pylon. What did you think? Gorgeous, right? Pretty easy, even though it's graded as a 4 by the national parks. I think it's because of the uneven surfaces, loose rocks, and a slight bit of scrambling once you get towards Lockleys Pylon. Otherwise, I think it's fairly easy. Rather short too, so I would grade it as maybe an intermediate walk myself. Anyways, you judge for yourself. As always, I hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.